Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Confirm your Apple Music plan and add a payment method accepted in the target country. Once done, back up your iPhone so downloads and playlists are safe. Make sure subscriptions are visible in settings. You'll temporarily change billing info. Start in settings your name, media, and purchases, and tap View Account. This begins the switch process while preserving iCloud data. You're setting the foundation so Apple Music can survive the country move with minimal interruption. Now change the App Store country step by step. From View Account, choose country/region and select the new country. Enter a payment method and billing address that matches local requirements. Use a local card, PayPal, or carrier billing if accepted. Agree to the new terms and confirm. If verification asks, call or authenticate with your bank. Keep Apple Music active by not canceling the subscription. The key is updating billing rather than terminating services. This ensures purchases and streaming remain linked to your Apple ID. Finish by opening the App Store and checking your new country storefront. Sign out and back in if it still shows the old region. Once the switch completes, confirm Apple Music shows your subscription and library. You may need to re-download some tracks. If you lose access, look in subscriptions to restore or switch the subscription plan to the local store. Troubleshoot by restoring from backup or contacting Apple support with proof of payment and subscription. This solves licensing or region-locked content problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.